In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo and image to all slides in Google Slides. This is a straightforward process that will unify the appearance of your presentation, giving it a professional look. Whether you're preparing for a business meeting, a school project, or any other type of presentation, having a consistent visual identity is vital. Let's start by opening Google Slides. Once you're there, choose the presentation you want to work on or create a new one. If you're opening an existing file, just make sure you have editing permissions. If it's a new presentation, you're already ahead of the game. Now, let's focus on adding that logo. First, you should decide on the design where you'd like your logo to appear on each slide. Typically, placing your logo in the same position, like the top right or bottom left corner, across all slides helps maintain consistency throughout the presentation. A balanced approach ensures that your slides look organized and professional. Move on to the Slide Master. You can find this by clicking on the View tab at the top of the screen and selecting Master. This option allows you to modify the master slide template, which will automatically apply changes across all your slides. Now, it's time to add your logo. Click on the Insert tab, then select Image. You can either upload an image from your computer or choose one from your Google Drive. Browse for your logo file, click on it, and then click Select to insert it into the master slide. Once your logo appears, you can click and drag it to your desired location. It's a good idea to adjust its size to ensure it isn't too overwhelming or too small. Just the right size will make sure it is visible and professional. Once you have placed the logo to your satisfaction, the changes will automatically reflect across all slides in your presentation due to the magic of the Slide Master. However, if you want to tweak the appearance on specific slides, you can just navigate to those individual slides and make necessary adjustments from there. Next, if you'd like to include additional images, repeat the process. Navigate back to the Slide Master and insert any images in the same way you added your logo. This approach is handy for adding things like your contact information graphics or accreditation badges that should appear consistently. Remember, using the Slide Master is an efficient way to ensure your presentation maintains a unified theme without the hassle of manually editing each slide. Once you're happy with everything, exit the Slide Master by clicking the X or Close Master button, and you'll see the changes have been applied to all slides. That's it. You've successfully added a logo and image to all your slides in Google Slides. Enjoy the benefits of a polished, good-looking presentation and impress your audience with your attention to detail. Thanks for following along, and happy presenting.